move to the number 4, the program challenge. We will build our calculator specifically for fraction numbers. So I put our nice picture. So normally our calculator is for the decimal or the floating number. But some calculator, they can, like this one, they can allow you to input a fraction number, then they calculate for you. So that we call this fraction calculator. So it's nice, but not common in your normal calculator, but let's implement that in Python since you already have enough weapon on hand. If you like my video so far, I will welcome you to follow my channel on YouTube and some other channels. And at the same time, I have synchronized from the VS Code left in local to keep the uploading that to the right part in the GitHub. As I said, I also synchronize that to GT. So if you are difficult to access GitHub, you can use GT's link, which I provide both in the cover page. And also, that is my try best to keep this up to date so that you can see some of the live sample code, which may different slightly to what you read from book and what you read from that solution documents. I hope you can find that useful. And also, if you like my work, I also hope you can be my sponsor so that I will be more encouraged to make more the videos. So for this one, let's go to the book to read what's the this challenge is asking for. So it's coming to here, fraction calculator. This calculator will perform basic mathematical operation on 2 fractions. So the challenge here is not the integer number, it's the fraction number. So you may remember fraction is not in the built-in the library, so you need to import fractions from this fractions library. And then we will use this so that you can either input on this way or you input by comma. So both are allowed, and the author already gave us the base. The starting point is we have our addition function, so print result a and dot a plus b, so result of addition. So we may also have this make that for some enhancement to give, when we call that, we will have that print both the 2 fractions as inputs. So maybe we will have a 0, 1, 2. So 2 are inputs and 1 as outputs. And also the fundamental part is already here. So if we have our the inputs, then we do the operation. The operation based on what another inputs from string, so plus, minus, or the addition, subtract, and multiply, divide. So maybe we put divide after multiply. So normally that is the sequence of the operation. And then this if operate equal to sum. So that means we also need to give some this choice for user to fill in, and then we put the respective those operations, and also we may do some testing and try to make some the error handling. So those are the things we already have this base and we will use that. So let's create from 0 of the scratch. Now is 12 is fraction calculator.py. So first let's copy your headers. So I also encourage you is keep making this header document as your hobby. So that should you will enjoy that advantage very in the multiple ways. So first is if we want to deal with the fraction, so we need to input the fractions from this fraction. So import. Just pay attention. This F is capital. So once we have that, is we will write our primary parts. So this is the same for all the programs so far. So if its name is main, then we will call ourselves. So we will add the sum is try, and we will do this except. So if we want to ensure is where input is our valid value. So if not, is we will give the value arrow. So print. So please input one valid fraction number. So that is our catch the arrow. So if we say A is the inputs, so we can put this inputs the enter the first. I think is we can see the first fraction, and B is input enter the second fraction. So I put the not. Then we can do the fraction conversion directly here, fraction. And then there is also the fraction. So we have these two. So if let's see, so we can now already can do the error handling test. So if I put 1/4, 4/6, oh, it's okay. But if I put this 1.4 comma, it's not. So let's see. So what are the fraction numbers? We can put this way. So if we input, normally is if we put that comma, it should be allowed like this way. So let's just go to here. So it's only allowed to make okay. So that is the way is we need to input like this way as the fraction. So let's follow this for now. So and then this our operation. Let's use that is input operation to perform. So we put this add sub. We just don't need the user to make long. So let's see if they put. Let's see. Let's let user to input those operators. So multiply. So it's x, and normally multiply. So we can use these stereos, and then the divide. So if we got those, then we see if we will put that is if op equal to let's see the plus. Then what I will do is just make A and B. So if I can copy this now. just have this 2. So subtract, multiply. I think it's multiply and divide. So that is the minus is times, and if this one, then what I think that's enough for our this main program. Now we are building this our functions. Like the sample gave us is A and B. So we input 2. Then what we will do is simply we just print those. So what we will print is we will print that result of adding. Adding what? Result of addition. The sample only gave us the one result. So and gave the A plus B. We also need to have the 3. So A and B. 1 is 2. So then format is A, B, A plus B. Let's do the plus test. So enter the first one. Let's see. 1/3 is 1/6, and I put this plus sign. So it's 1 second. So that's correct. What then is I think is just the timing. So we just need to copy this to another. Three parts. Yeah. So second is the subtract. And what I will do is subtracting, and let's show all. So here is minus, here is times, here is divided by, so it's multiplying, and dividing. So when you do such kind of replacing, is ensure you do this carefully, because sometimes its error is coming from some typo. So now we can do test. So let's do our multiply. So let me do very long multiply. Yeah. So multiply. I got that is 45, and here is so we can find this common factor. So is we can remove both divided by 3. So for 6 is come to 2. This is 3. So 3 times 5 is 15, and 2 times 11 is 22. So that is good for the this multiply. Let's try the divide. So let's see. Maybe I put this something is not easy to do, and this, yeah, it's easier to give that, and it will show us the fraction number as well. So now let's give some non-fraction. So I like is I give this one, yeah, input one valid fraction number. So because we have try, so they will check is every line. Whenever you input is not valid, they will pop up those the arrows. So these are a simple one, so without any user interface, it's just the text-based calculator. But I hope it's through this one you practice from here. Is also the 2 parts where we are review. So one is how to check our fraction numbers through this fraction class. Secondly is how to make the correct or proper the format outputs. So we put these three numbers and use this format, and they can handle the fraction number. So others are the common things we already learned and practiced several times. So please do this yourself as well, and try to generate the testing result based on the different situation. Okay, I hope you make this correct as well. So next video maybe not long, is just get access power to the user. We give more choice to user to control the computer. Okay, see you in that one. Bye for now.